Quick question. Do you know the difference between filing your taxes late and filing an extension? Because that one mix-up could cost you thousands in penalties. Stick around, because today we are breaking it all down. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the place where we make accounting actually make sense, especially if you are in the caregiving industry or running an adult family home. Today's topic, tax extensions. Here is what we are covering today. What a tax extension actually is. Why it can save you when you are running out of time. The real benefits of filing one, and the costly consequences of not filing one. To my returning subscribers, you already know what is up. Thank you so much for sticking around. And if you are new here, smash that subscribe button. We post real, practical content on bookkeeping, payroll, taxes, and accounting. No fluff, ever. I am your host at Care Bear Books Accounting. Want to work with us? The link is in the description below. Now, let us get into it. So, what is a tax extension? It is a formal request to the IRS for more time to file your tax return. For most individual taxpayers, that means up to 6 extra months. But here is where people get tripped up. An extension gives you more time to file, not more time to pay. Any taxes you owe are still due by the original deadline. The IRS is crystal clear about this. Miss that distinction, and it will cost you. Why would anyone file an extension? A few solid reasons. You are still waiting on tax documents. Your bookkeeping is not wrapped up yet. You run a business and need more time to get accurate numbers together. You would rather not rush and make a costly mistake. Or you and your accountant simply need more breathing room to get it right. And here is something really important. Filing an extension does not mean you did something wrong. Plenty of business owners, investors, and professionals file extensions every single year. It is a tool, not a red flag. Let me show you exactly why this matters with a real-world example. Meet Client X and Client Y. Both own caregiving businesses. Both missed the April deadline. Both ended up filing in August. Same situation, very different outcomes. Here is why. Client X realized in early April that her records were a mess. So she called her accountant and filed an extension before the deadline. That gave her the time she needed to get organized and file an accurate return. Client Y knew he was not ready too, but he ignored it. No extension, no plan, just silence. Fast forward to August. Both clients file on the same day. But here is the twist. Client X was protected because she filed that extension on time. She avoided the IRS late filing penalty entirely. Client Y, not so lucky. No extension meant he got hit with late filing penalties on top of penalties and interest for unpaid taxes. And here is the kicker. Failure to file penalties are usually way harsher than failure to pay penalties. The takeaway? If you are running out of time, filing an extension might be one of the smartest moves you make all year. Now, let us clear up the biggest myth out there. A lot of people think that filing an extension also buys them more time to pay their taxes. It does not. Even with an extension filed, the IRS still expects you to estimate and pay what you owe by the original deadline. Skip that, and penalties and interest start stacking up fast. So let us make this absolutely clear. A tax extension gives you more time to file. A tax extension does not give you more time to pay. Before we wrap up, 3 tips you can use right now. Number 1, not ready to file? Submit your extension before the deadline. Do not wait. Number 2, estimate and pay as much of what you owe as you possibly can by the original due date. Number 3, work with a qualified accountant to make sure everything is accurate and complete. And that is it for today. If this helped you understand tax extensions a little better, do me a favor. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe so more people in our community can learn this too. This is Care Bear Books Accounting. We will see you in the next one.